Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button so that you can get notified whenever I post any amazing video like this. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a hoodie, like the hoodie itself. I made it for my zip up hoodie. If you guys have seen it, I made it in that video. If you want to see the full video, I'm going to link it up here and in the description box below so that you guys can go check it out. And yes, let's just get started with this amazing hoodie pattern and sewing tutorial. So what you're going to do now is you're going to measure all around that neckline. So measure all around. Now guys, once you've measured that, divide it by 2 and then just keep that measurement in your right pocket. Then you're going to cut out a pattern paper that is 15.5 inches by 12 inches. So just like I'm doing right here, 15.5 by 12, that's like a standard measurement that you would use, 15 by 5 by 12. And then you're going to now cut it out like this. And then you're going to create a curve, like a hoodie curve. Guys, this is like one of the easiest ways to make a hoodie and it will turn out fine. And then at the hem, you're now going to create our, neckline shape. So that curve, that S shape, that's what you're going to create right here. Just use your free hand, guys. Use your free hand to create that curve. So that's what I'm doing right here. So now what you're going to do is you're going to take that measurement that we kept in our right pocket, that's neck divided by 2, and then you're now going to measure it from this center front right here to that curved side. So just measure until you get to that measurement. Once you get there, mark it and then connect it to that curve right there, just like I'm doing right here. And that's it, guys. That's all you need to do for your hoodie pattern. Now guys, what you're going to do is you're going to cut out 4 pieces. So 4 pieces, 2 for the main fabric and 2 for your lining. Now if you want it to be just one fabric, you can easily use it like that, but I always love clean finishes, so I'm going to cut out 4 pieces, 2 for the main and 2 for the lining. So what you're going to do now is you're going to place it right sides facing each other. So the 2 main fabrics, place them right sides facing and sew it along the curve, and then do the same thing for the lining piece. Now guys, can you see my zipper? I have worked on it. And guys, remember that your zipper has to be those detachable zippers, the ones that you can remove at the end. So make sure you buy those ones that are removable basically. So I'm just going to zip it up to the top and then I'm going to cut the excess right there. So to work on the casing, we're going to take our 2 pieces, so the main hoodie piece and the lining. You're now going to place it right sides facing. Now before you place it right sides facing, measure all around that edge, that corner, not the one you're going to connect to the neckline. Measure just along the edges, that's the curved edge that looks like an arc. So measure what you have there and cut out a fabric that is that measurement by 3 inches. So just like I've done right here, I have cut out my piece, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to now place it in between the hoodie pieces right sides facing. So instead of sewing it right sides facing just like that, this one has to be in between. But guys, when you're putting it, make sure this casing piece, the right side of the casing is facing the lining's right side, so that when you are done sewing, when you're finally finishing the casing, it won't be the wrong sides that you're putting on the right side. I don't know if you guys get what I mean. Just make sure the right side of your, in my case, Ankara piece is facing the right side of your lining piece. So basically the wrong side of the Ankara piece is facing the right side of the main fabric. Guys, before you start sewing all around, please sew the edges as well. Just fold it at the short edges by 1/2 inch and sew it down right there. Then you can now sew the curve, that arc basically. And then once you're done, this is what you're going to have. Guys, can you see? This is what I was talking about, that I said your right side should be facing your lining piece. So can you guys see? That's what I did. And now that I want to finish it up, my right side will definitely be with the right side basically. So just follow what I've done. Now to do your casing, you're going to fold it in by half an inch and then fold it on the hoodie piece just like this. So fold it in by half an inch or by 0.75 inches depending on how wide you want your casing to be, and then fold it on the hoodie piece, then pin it down. So just do it like that. Continue doing it like that. Place it, then fold it and pin it down. So I'm just going to do it till I get to the end, and I'm going to sew it all around that edge. Now, guys, you know me, I always love doing my things simultaneously. This part is not going to affect what I have pinned down. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your neck side of your fabric, and then you're going to place the right side of the lining side to the wrong side of your fabric. So just like I'm doing right here. So the right side of this lining will be joined with the wrong side of your jacket piece. So can you guys see I am pinning it down right here just like this, and I'm just going to pin it all around that neckline. So can you guys see? Continue pinning it till you get to the end and sew it down right there. Once that is sewn, you're now going to take the other side of the hoodie, so the one of the main fabric, and you're going to fold it inside by half an inch and place it to cover the seam that you just did. So can you guys see what I'm doing? I am folding it in by half an inch first, and then I'm going to use it to cover the seam I just did. So that's why it's better to start from the back just like I did, so that once you're doing it from the front, it will be clean from the outside and even clean on the inside. So guys, keep folding it and putting it on the seam, so make sure it's covering the former seam that you just did. And then I'm going to just do it like that and sew it down till I get to the other side. And guys, can you see it pinned? This is what it looks like. So once I'm done sewing, it would look even better. And guys, that's it. This is what it looks like. It's turned out really, really good. I love how it's turned out. If you want your rope to be in it, you can put it into the casing that we made in the Ankara casing basically, that is on the hoodie, the tip of the hoodie basically. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and join the family. We are growing on this channel, and it's been amazing having you guys as part of the family. Comment in the comment section if you have any questions. Like this video, share within and outside your circle, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.